Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about how to execute calculator program using switch statement. So the switch statement in C language, it tests the value of the variable and compares with multiple cases. So once the case match is found, that particular case, the block of statements which are written in that particular case will be executed. Okay. So each and every case should end with a break statement. So if any of the case match is not found, that means it will check for each and every cases. If all the case matches are failed, then the default case will be executed in the switch case, right? So coming to the calculator program using switch case, so first of all we have to include the header files stdio and conio.h. So coming to the main function, I have taken two variables of type integer and the operator of type character data type. So both the operators and a and b values the user has to enter. Okay, so at runtime by using scanf function. So coming to the switch operator, so this is switch case. In this switch case, it takes the operator as a value, okay, as an argument. So here, suppose if the user enter plus, okay, if the user enter with this scanf function, if the user enters a plus, so what happens? The case of this plus will be executed. This particular case will be executed. Okay, if the user enters minus in this operator, so then this minus statement will be executed. That means this minus case will be executed. If the user enters a star means a product. So the multiplication case star, this case will be executed. Okay, suppose if the user enters a division operator, so this case division, this particular case will be executed. So whatever may be the block of statements which are written in this case will be executed. So all the cases should be, case constants should be unique, and each and every case should end with a semicolon. Sorry, each and every case should end with a break statement. We have to make sure of these two things while using switch operator. While using switch statement, we have to make sure that all the case constants should be unique. That means we should not allow any duplicate case constants, and also each and every case should end with a break statement. These two rules we have to remember. Okay, so if all these cases gets failed, so defaultly what happens? So whatever may be the statements which are written in this default block, those statements will be executed. So that's how switch statement will work. Now let me compile the program. So no errors. Let me run the code. So see here, I am giving plus operator. So a and b values the user has to enter. So 2 and 3 I am giving. So the sum is 5. Similarly, I am entering, suppose for example another one I am showing division operator. Okay, AB values are 10 and 2. So the division is 5. Like this we can calculate, okay, all these operations plus, minus, star and division by using switch statement, by writing each and every operation in different cases. Okay, so like this switch statement works. Thank you.